everybody, welcome back to our channel. It has been a while, so you've probably noticed that a lot of the vlogs that I've put recently have been from a while ago, because Birdie's like in autumn outfits and October outfits kind of thing for Halloween. That is because we pre-recorded this when we actually got the allotment. It's now January the something, 17th. Should we check? Hang on. 17th of January, so Happy New Year everybody. Since New Year, Christmas was amazing. Since New Year we've been so poorly, and we've had lots of storms and snow and everything, so we just haven't been able to get to the allotment. We did come once after the really bad storm we all had, can't remember the name of it. The greenhouse had been attacked. We haven't fully finished putting it up, I'm just looking at it now, and it had been bent and it broke our fence, so that's fun. So we quickly managed to upright it and put some sandbags down to weigh it down, but it has ripped the fence in three maybe. There's another bit, but I haven't been able to get here, and I've also had a bit of anxiety about coming here because it's such a big job with a baby. He's now 9 months old. I just feel a bit anxious about coming here, and we've just been so poorly. I haven't really wanted to get dirty with it. There's a lot to do, but then there's not a lot to do. It just needs a lot of organising. Anyone fancies coming down, like, feel free. Hit me up in the comments, we'll arrange it. But anyway, I've come down just to kind of show you an update of what we're dealing with Mr. Bodie. Say hello. Oh, what you got in your eye? What you got in your eye? Oh dear. Say hello. We spoke our first word. Yeah, hello. Bodie has said his first word and second word. It was mama first and then dada. So now we're getting the whole ba 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 na 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 da 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 da, aren't we? Yeah, mama mama mama. You say it. Ba 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 ba. Dada. Dada. Ma. Mama. Oh, mama. He's just trumping while he's talking to you. Don't mind him. So yeah, shall I show you around the allotment and just give you a brief update as to what it looks like now we are fully in the depths of winter. I'm really excited to get this going again. We just need to actually get here. I'm hoping we come tomorrow and I'll be able to film that too. But yeah, anyway, rambling. Happy New Year. Let's have a look. So yeah, let's just start from the shed area and I'll show you around. So as you come in, you remember we cleared this bit. Rosemary's thriving, happy. Trees are died back, but they're coming back, I'm sure. We've still got our path. Oh, there's like a bit of... What's that? What is that? Oh my goodness. Don't want that. A shed looking wonky as ever. This is what I really love to clear, because there's like brambles upon brambles, even raspberries, but there's windows and all sorts down there. Anyway, black currant bush which has buds on, so that's exciting, so that will be coming back. Apple tree has buds on too, can you see? Come on, focus. Focus. Oh, anyway, there's buds all over the apple tree, so that should be coming back. Then we have this mass of space which I really want to turn into a patio area type thing, so that we've got somewhere to sit. I think we're going to flat it back a little bit, and then I might get a load of that bark from somewhere and create like a bark terrace so we can just at least put the table down. So yeah, that's that. We had 2 big bushes here, they're gone. One is there which I wanted to chop up for kindling, so I may have a go at that. I'll put him in his pram. But yeah, then there's the greenhouse. Let me show you the greenhouse. So here is our beloved greenhouse. It got bent in the storm. I don't know if you can come on in. It got twisted, which isn't ideal. So yeah, but it's still standing. But we do need to fix it up and put all of that glass in so it's more stable, because currently it's like it's on the wall. Yeah, we have a wheelbarrow full of rubbish. Got all that out. We inherited lots of chicken wire because I was going to do a reef around the A-frame of the boat. Whoa, look at that cabbage. Look at this. Look at that. And them sprouts. Ooh. I hope ours look that good next year. I said to James, we've got to eat more cabbage, but I want to grow it myself. Anyway, we have raspberry zone here, which, tell me if I've done this right, but we've cut them all back. They're all this tall at current. So we've got a patch here and then a patch here, which needs neatening up. I don't know if you're supposed to cut them right down to the floor or whether you leave them at the height they're at. I'm just hoping they're not dead. Pray for the raspberries. Then we have like this semi path through the middle to this big patch, which is like this, which needs something needs to happen here, like to kill the grass off, because this is where I want to grow like potatoes, strawberries. I'd like to do some pumpkins if we can. I know they're notoriously hard. Hello. And then after that there's another big patch which I'd like to do a little flower bed with loads of bulbs in. But I need to find like a rusty, not even rusty at the minute, a metal bed frame, a single bed frame that I can put either end to make it look like a bed, and then fill it with flowers. Flower bed, get it? Thought it was genius. I'll put a picture I found here. Wasn't my idea, but yeah, I want to kind of make you see yourself. That's you, Bodie. You gorgeous boy. Say mama. No. Want to do that. We've got loads of raspberry canes, which I've seen online that people have been putting string around them, making like an insect hotel, the good kind of insects. So I think I'm going to do that, because either or, I don't know if it's good kindling. Can someone let me know? Then we've got poppies, which we'd like to relocate because we've saved all the heads in the shed. So I'm probably going to move that, because then it gives us a very big plot to grow on. And then we've got gooseberries and horseradish, I believe. You found yourself again. Which again we won't eat, so they're probably going to go. I might keep one just to try. But yeah, so I might try and pop Bodie in his pram. Yeah, mate. You're just looking at yourself, aren't you? And see if I can pull any of these gooseberry rushes out, but they are quite sharp. So yeah, let's get his pram out. I inherited bricks. I found them on Facebook. They're like Cotswold bricks, which the plan is hopefully to put in the bottom of here, and then I want to put some wood around the bottom edge of the greenhouse to make it a bit more posh and a bit more attractive looking. So that's the plan for that. But they've sat there ever since. Look, yeah. So yeah, let's get the pram out. See if I can do anything. Bodie's all set. Oh, Right. Let's go do some gardening. It's fun gardening. It's fun. That's what we keep telling us. Oh, my phone's gone. Oh, I am wanting to be more frugal this year. No spending unnecessarily. No. I just want to be more positive, more just resourceful with my time. It's not gone that well so far because I've been so poorly, but I suppose being resourceful is getting better, which has took a lot of time and antibiotics and things because it's been horrendous. But yeah, now we're pretty much better and back on the mend, meaning we can I can't push this pram. Oh, there goes some more raspberries. On the mend to be a healthy 2025. Lots of exploring. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let's have a look at these gooseberry bushes. I get asked this question quite a lot. Why Barton Marina? My answer is simple, because it's not just where we live, it's where everything comes together. The location is unbeatable, surrounded by the stunning countryside, but close enough to everything we need, and for us it's just a 10-minute walk to our allotment. There's a real sense of community here, friendly neighbours, familiar faces, and the welcoming vibe you just don't get everywhere. Marina is also home to some incredible independent businesses, whether it's a cosy coffee shop, a meal with your friends, or picking up something special, it's all right here. Barton Marina is more than just a place to live, with its ideal location, vibrant community, and everything you need close by. It truly has it all. So, you cannot see me. I have a fork and my loppers. So I'm just gonna, they're really, really spiky. I'm just gonna see what I can do and at least pull one of them out. Let's see. Ow. It's mean. That was outrageous. My chest still isn't the best. Oh my god. If you literally want to work out, size that. You see that? Ginormous thorn. It's not going to show you. I'm not touching it. It's out. Oh my god. There's like 5 of them. I can't do that. I'm going to get the puppies out instead because that was a killer. Let's get the puppies out and then we can go home. So yeah, I've just cleared another fairly large patch and I've found a ginormous tarp, which is exciting because look. So here, if I pull this tarp up, look, I don't know what that is. Can someone tell me what that is? But all under here is just fresh, good dirt. So I'm going to leave that till James comes. But then I've tried to trace it and it's all here too, this whole area, including all here. It's all tarp, or whatever you call it, ground sheet. I don't know if it goes all the way, I don't know, to here, but that saves, oh god, I feel a bit dizzy. I think this whole area might just be overgrown on top of the tarp. So hopefully me and James can come tomorrow and we may pull it up. Probably the wrong move, but we might pull it up and see what space we've got to work with. But I'm scubaed already, I'm just still not the best, so I'm not going to push it. But yeah, I've got one of these out. I might try and get another one out. But yeah, Birdie's starting to grizzle. Give him another snack and then probably gonna head home. But yeah, let's keep going. Would you like another snack, sir? What should we have? Should we have this? Isn't it? Yummy. Can you not see? Is that yummy? Is that yummy? I love you. Oh, it's all melted around your mouth. I love you. Yummy. Me and you. Let's get it out. Oh my god. I managed to get 3 out. Oh my god. I'm exhausted. Let me show you. Right. So, excuse the heavy breathing. The top, I think, finishes around here. Oh. I've just been speaking to a neighbour and he said that I need to like air out these gooseberries. So I need to like take some out, but I'm going to do that tomorrow. And this one's coming out. I've got that one out. These out. So now look at the space we have. Like from here all the way to about just behind the pram. Raspberries. That is all growing space. Please excuse the cough. I'm still not over this huge flu we've had. So it's getting on my chest a little bit, so I'm going to stop now. Any advice on composting, please leave it below, because look at my heap. It's literally laughable. It's like a, oh goodness, I think it's a 2-stage. It's not anymore. And I think there's dead good dirt under there. There's dead good dirt here, which all needs flattening and putting out. Do I just try and skip all of them bits on top, or what's the deal? Because I have no idea. But someone's getting a bit antsy, so I think he needs to go home. But yeah, this is our allotment. Can't wait to see what we can do with it this year, but for now, I'm going home. So bye for now, just say bye. You got snacks all over you. Look, say bye. Can you wave? Say bye bye. I see the fingers go bye bye. Oh, wait a minute. Say bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye. See you in the next one. Oh, God. Bye for now.